spoil it.
I don't want to have sense. Be destroying all my
And stop now, Aunt Mary, stop it now. Do you
don't shut up your mouth. Are you okay?
How will you tell me to shut up? Just leave
Shut
it.
up, but you want to fight for me? Better don't let me
Just leave it. You want to spoil it.
Mary,
Look at me and
of
saying
this?
his chair.
What's the meaning of this?
It's you that you. It's only you that know how to.
Give me that scissors.
Don't come near me.
Give me that scissors. Give me that scissors.
You don't want to.
Give me that
Stay away
scissors.
from me. Leave me alone. Rubbish.
Man, what's the meaning of
It's
this?
only you that know how
Aunt
to.
Mary, stop now. Aunt Mary,
Even
stop
your
it
see
now.
your sister.
This thing is
See your
too much.
sister here. You know that
Mary,
sister
stop it
here.
now.
They warn you. You not here.
Next
Mary,
time.
give me that scissors.
Next time, you must hear my property.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Everything will destroy inside your house. Shebi, you don't come in destroy. Everything will be destroyed. Don't come and see you have this in this house. Rubbish. Every time, voila, all the time. It's me you want to frustrate. Every time. You don't want to give me peace of mind. That if you don't have peace.
Aunt Mary, it's okay now. It's okay now. Leave this thing now. Do you want to spoil everything?
You have money.
Hey, they stop now. It's okay. Ti ba gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀ ńsìn. Kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe
You have
ńsìn?
money.
Ó ti tó.
Mary, now they ask you now, why are you tearing these things?
If they ask you, why did you tear my clothes? Why did you tear my clothes? You are telling me if they ask me. Everything I you want they break. I don't use your money buy anything yet. Everything I buy,
Look at the way he's
they are using
crying now. You are spoiling his property.
Crocodile
Look at the way he's
tears.
crying.
Crocodile
Can't
tears.
even
This is
have
your
pity on him. Just
pity.
forgive him.
Mary, why are you
Just because of
destroying?
clothes.
Why are you destroying the clothes in the
It's not needed. I don't even like it.
You know how much I spent to rearrange this
Do
place?
you know how much I spent to buy that clothes? As one man inside this house, no continue to the tear. Rubbish.
Aunt Mary, gbogbo eléyìí ò dáa. It's okay now. Aunt
I'm
Mary,
coming for
just
you.
leave it now.
I'm coming for
See,
you.
you've
That
destroyed
your mouth
everything
is sharp. I'm
already.
coming for you.
Gbogbo ẹlẹ́ ti bàjẹ́ tán. Yeah,
I am
just
coming
leave it.
for you. I'm coming for you. Continue talking. Shebi, your mouth is sharp.
See you spoil all his property just because of how much clothes.
Are you satisfied? Shebi, this is what you want. Destroy.
Aunt Mary, look at what you did now.
Anything.
Aunt Mary, stop it
That's
now.
You dey hear your
We
sister.
will continue tearing.
Mary, you dey hear your sister. You dey hear your sister.
She don't know. She never understand. She never understand. She never understand anything.
Now,
You are
Aunt
telling
Mary,
me
just
next
stop
time
everything
something
you are
I'm not
doing now.
listening. She won't
Aunt Mary, don't
She won't my shit.
Aunt Mary,
Are you?
it's me.
Sure you want us to start disgracing ourselves? You want to be fair? Everything in this house, let's continue tearing until one person will have sense. Until you decide to give me peace, I will give you peace of mind.
Mary, now because if I tore your clothes, the next you walk to the beach, I make you dey do all these things to
I
this
will
year.
tear it. You said you don't want me to have peace. I went to beach to relax myself. Since
No,
my own
I
husband is
don't
not
believe
giving
this
me
one.
peace of mind, I decided to go and have my own peace. And
I
all
also
you
have
do
to.
is to take my clothes
I have
and take
to.
away.
I have to have a video of this.
Have a video. Do whatever you want to do. That
have to
is
have a
your
video of
business.
this.
Have a video of whatever.
No, I have to have a video of this.
Have a video. Have a video. It is none of my business. You cannot continue frustrating me.
No.
I stayed on my own. This is how you triggered me the last time.
I have to have a
This
video
is
of
how
this.
you triggered me the last time. I became something I was
I have
not
to have a
supposed
video
to
of this.
Have a video of whatever you want to do. Everybody should see. Zoom it. Let them see. Let them see everything. Shey is me you want to frustrate. You've not started me. Shey, this is
Mary,
what you want.
I'm recording
This
everything.
is record. You just started.
Everything.
You have just started.
The whole world should see.
I did not even like the
Okay,
color of the
beautiful.
shirt before. Yes, beautiful.
what she
Show
did.
them. What did I do? What did I do?
Mary,
What did I do?
Mary,
What? Why you calling me?
simply because of I told you.
What did you tell me?
Jesus.
Tell me, what did you tell me? You are telling me simply because of what I told you. Are you supposed to tear my clothes? Clothes I use my money and buy, Abi? So
Are you supposed to wear
know
that
how
clothes?
it is to destroy somebody's property.
Are you supposed to wear that clothes?
You know how it is to destroy somebody's property, don't you? So it's spending that I'm telling. How much did you buy this clothes? How much are they selling you about this clothes? Ah yes, bear is 300 and be 350.
Ah, Jesus.
Ah yes, it is
okay
500
now.
and ma
Aunt Mary,
is
it's
not
okay.
the download.
You have destroyed
That is
everything
what
already.
Hey! Shut up!
It's okay.
Are you okay? You see this everything. What are you arranging? Okay, leave this. You arrange anything. Leave it. Nothing is going to be in this. I don't want it. I don't like them. You cannot be carrying clothes of 500 and be wearing on top chair. This is the chair that I want. If here is not taken, you see all this cutting. I will destroy it. I will cut it. This channel, I will break it. Since you have money, because I've been quiet enough, you think you can ride me? Have you forgotten who I was before? No, tell me, have you forgotten?
Madam, see, I leave you. Respect yourself.
That cry that you want to cry, you will cry. Every time you be frustrating me, you don't want me to have peace. Rent house for somebody, you don't want to rent house. You say it's me, you want to frustrate.
Auntie Miriam, what are you doing like this now? It's okay now.
Everybody can see you. Video is very well.
Video is very well. I don't want anything in this house. Rubbish. Every time you be frustrating me, say it's me, you want to frustrate. What's it? See, okay. Every time you be disturbing me. I go to beach, you are complaining I did not call you to go. If I call you, would you answer? No, tell me. If I called you, would you answer? Now you are complaining. I went to the beach without you. I went to buy nets. I'm wearing nets. So what? The people not see it online. Did I not post it myself? You are telling me I'm wearing nets to post it online. As what? As what? If you care about me, then stop hiding it every time. Stop pretending like I mean nothing to you. Every time you go on social media and make people think that I'm worthless and I'm not. You even choose me like a nobody. You choose me like a nobody. And now you are blabbering because I went to the beach. I'm putting on something. Oh, you are scared for another man to take me. Not be you don't say if I go outside, nobody will marry me. Are you not the same person? You say you busy person will go marry me. You say I'm not the same person will go marry me. Cry. Crocodile tears. Crocodile tears. Every time I go, they cry. When I was crying for you, I was doing everything. Now it is your turn. I will teach you. The next time you will learn how to respect me. You don't have to respect me in this house. Call anybody that I want to call. You see. You don't want to.
Oh God!
You will cry well.
Auntie Miriam, look at the way he's crying now. Just have pity. Look at the way he's crying.
I will finish
you. Like the way he's crying.
I will come and pet you.
It's okay now.
Come and pet you.
Oh God!
God cannot answer you like this because you did not give me peace of mind. So God cannot answer you. Let me help you. Allah will kiss your back, and God is not a wicked person. He will never listen to those that are heartless to another human being. He would never. Those people that like calling me all sorts of names. Shaking it on. It's your fault. Yes, I will destroy everything. Now don't call me destroyer. Rubbish people.
This is they try to hold myself. They try to hold myself.
You have activated the old Mary. This is what I am. I don't want anything. This is you are walking up the
Mary, I asked you for the very last time. Why are you tearing this thing?
Because my husband saw my clothes.
Mary, how much is that clothes that you took?
How much is this clothes? How much is it? I'm asking you. How much is it? Because every time you're spelling my name, I don't want to talk. And you think that when it comes to your secretary, you can't talk. But when it comes to me, you can talk. And now you want me to be quiet. Thank you for activating me back. Rubbish. It's only you that have banner in this house. Every time because I small. Everything about me, my voice, everything is fine. You'll be doing video every day. People be shouting, not let people hear my voice. After everybody will say I'm the bad person.
Auntie Mary, it's okay now. The one you've done is enough. It's okay.
Even your sister, your junior sister, when they hear the say it's okay.
Ash, it should show because
to show that she has sense more than you.
Married. And she's not experiencing what you are making me experience.
What am I making you experience? What?
If you want us to have peace.
What?
If you want us to have peace, kick her out of this house.
David, what?
David, kick her out of this house.
No. I'm not supposed to do this. I'm not supposed to do this.
Kick her out of this house. As simple as ABC. If truly you want your wife back, kick her out of this house. If not, you want to frustrate my work for you.
Mary.
David. Rubbish. Every time, wala. I go beach, you they complain. I dey inside house, you they tell me make I leave your house. I go beach, you are complaining.
I thought that clothes, right? They don't want to see you.
Where are you going? You don't know anything. Because I'm keeping quiet for you.
I think this is material.
Yes.
You don't want to see this thing. Guys, this was what my wife walk to the beach.
What is your business? I am still asking you. What is your business? You said you don't want me. You said I should leave your house.
Fine.
Okay, now I am going to the beach to keep myself happy. What is now your problem?
Guys.
Somebody that doesn't love his wife, or what is his problem with the fact that his wife is going out, or his wife is wearing something transparent? What is your business? What's up, go to Shey, you say no marry me again. So what's the problem? Okay, see, even if it's just one slippers that you cut, I will use it to destroy something bigger. Do you understand? Because it is my money I'm using to buy, it's not your money.
Guys, this is what she wore to the beach. I'm not supposed to be crying. I'm so sorry.
Who are you telling sorry?
This is what she wore to the beach, right? And I laid a complaint about this. This is what a married woman wore to the beach. I was talking to her as my woman.
Truly.
And she was raising her voice at me, you know.
Why would I raise it?
And I was like, I was still calm, and I was like, if you talk too much, I'm gonna tear this clothes.
Where were you calm?
Okay.
Tell me, where were you calm? Where in that video were you calm?
Now because
also saw English.
Now.
Where in that video were you calm?
Now look at because I
Look
tore
at
this clothes.
what?
Because I tore this clothes.
Look at what?
Madam, don't touch me.
Look at what?
Don't force me to hit you.
Do it.
Do not force
Do
me.
it.
Madam, do not force me to
People
hit
10
you.
of you.
I beg you in the name of God.
10 of you.
I am bleeding right now. I am bleeding.
Me to be the wicked,
If it's
stubborn,
because of this,
arrogant wife.
I am pleading.
Is that
Do
not
not
what you
force
want?
me to hit you.
Hit who? You think I be like you and your undertaker? Hit who?
Now,
Hit
why
who?
is she
Tell
doing
me.
this? Because of
Why would I do
why
it?
is she doing this? Because of I was complaining about this clothes.
Not because you were complaining, because you thought.
I want to ask, husband and wife no
when
they
you
get
destroy
problem.
somebody's property, your property.
Husband and wife no they get problem
What
for
you
house.
cannot take, don't do it to somebody.
Husband and wife no they get problem for
What
house.
you cannot take, don't do it to
Why
somebody.
is it that you people don't know how to forgive? Why is it that you don't know how to
Do
forgive?
you know how to forgive?
Ah,
David, do you know how to forgive?
I forgive a lot, but I can never forget.
Forgive what?
If I
Tell
cannot
me
forgive you, you will not be
what
here.
you forgive.
If I do not forgive you, you will
David,
not be here.
you forgive. You don't know how to forgive. If truly this person can forgive, then every time you will not continue reminding me of my
No,
past.
that's what I said. I can't forget.
You will never continue reminding me
I
of my
do
past.
forgive,
You
but I
are
can
the same
never
person.
forget.
When we were talking that the famous came to settle us, you knelt down, I knelt down. After some time now, this new year, you said you did not forget anything. You did not forgive. Deep down, I knew it. Do you think I don't know what I'm doing?
Madam,
Do you think I don't know what
I
I'm doing?
forgive, but I can never
You
forget.
can't forgive. You don't know
now,
how to.
just as if look at what you're doing. Why are you destroying
You
the
don't know how
couch?
to. When they are talking about
You're
people,
destroying the couch.
excuse me. When they are talking about people that forgive, it is me. Alex wronged me, I forgive Alex. When someone offended me, I forgive them. And you are still decided to stay. I did not even let police or anything to come and carry you or teach you a lesson in this house.
Carry me for
I
what?
decided, you
What
know,
police?
yeah, you know one thing about
There's
you. You are
nothing
so
they can do.
proud.
Yes.
You are so proud because you feel
I did
because I'm
nothing.
not doing anything to you.
I
You
did
feel
nothing.
you have rights.
I did nothing. You're
You
wronging.
did a
You
lot.
have wronged me enough.
David,
I
you
did
did a lot.
nothing.
You chased me
made
out of
me
this
cry
house
several
with your
times.
uncle.
You have
You
hurt
see
me
me that
so
did not cry?
bad. You've hurt me so bad. You made me cry several times.
Is it me that did not cry? David, is this how my flesh was before? Did you not make me cry? Did you not take me to depression? I married somebody, your uncle, you, Alex, wise one, everybody kicked me out of this house.
More depressed
This
than
same
you.
house. Who told you were more
I was
depressed?
depressed than
Why is
I
it
was
evidence that you
more
were more
depressed.
depressed? You were more depressed when you could bring in another woman. You were more depressed. Abi? If I was depressed, do you think I would not have gone outside to meet someone else? Do you think I would not have carried another pregnancy to come to this house? You are telling me you were more depressed. What made you more depressed? Break everything, destroy anything that you can destroy. You are talking about depression. Now you're trying to talk about depression. Nonsense. Break everything, or you call Alex now. They should go, thank God, if you go see I'm online. Anybody should come and meet me this house. I have been quiet enough, and it is over. That quietness is over. The quietness is over, and I am not leaving this house for anybody. The quietness is over. As you say that the other Mary you want, you go continue to get them. Do you understand? So she said that all those people that are out there telling me he needs me, he doesn't need me, and he's not under a spell. This person is just being like this. He's just being wicked. He's not under a spell. He's being wicked. I did not do anything to you. You are just being wicked and heartless. Yes, everybody will tell this is the time you need to embrace your husband. Don't deprive him of what? Don't deprive him of what? After saying I have infection, after saying I have HIV, why would I decide to still have something to do with you?
Why is it that the one I talk now you carry for head? Do you know what name?
When we are talking about Joy and Mary, when anybody's coming to settle, why you saying that Mary matter you carry for head?
Madam, do you know how?
Why you be saying that Mary matter you carry for head? Chill.
I know you don't have respect for me. It's
I
fine.
don't. You have.
I know you don't have respect for me. Fine.
Do you have respect?
But what I'm trying to say is, why be saying that the one why I curse you now they always put for it? Do you know the word you have said to me? Do you know the painful things you have said to me as a man? Do you know the insults you have given to me that have spoiled my brand?
David, do you know the names you're giving me? Your wife in a shower. Your wife in a fetish.
So have you not called me on this thing?
Your wife is a criminal.
Have you not called me on this thing?
Your wife's family is.
Have you not called me on this thing? You have called me a male harlot. You have called me this. You have called me a criminal. You have called me that. You have called me. I have everything.
You don't have anything tangible to say.
I don't have any.
I heard me this. I called me that. Is it this and that I called you? At least I was able to mention the names you called me. Is that the name I gave to you?
Look at what your sister is saying this thing.
What you have done.
Your
to
sister
me.
that came
so that she will learn.
on holiday for
so that
just
she
few
will
days.
learn. And no other man.
Your sister that just came for few holidays.
Man will use my sister to play. She should see it. So no man will use her to play.
I pray your sister should not take this kind of your character.
She's never going to take. My character is good.
I pray.
You are the one that painted my character bad. My character is very, very good.
Even how bad do you want to be like this?
How bad do you want
You are badder than the baddest. Like this.
You are worse than the worstest of the worster. Do you understand? Since you want us to be saying dramatic words, you are worse than the worstest. So I don't care. Anything what you do, if you have a problem with me, you know the right thing to do.
Okay, that's why you tore the cloth on the couch.
You don't like this hair like this.
That's why you tore the cloth.
Should I help you to remove the black one too? You don't like it like this.
Same thing you guys did. Everybody know how the house is. You guys went for vacation. I decorated the house. I redecorated the house. And
you guys say you shouldn't be destroying your wife's clothes. Clothes you don't buy yo. I'm not asking for money to
something that is transparent.
Sure, you say you're no longer interested in me.
Okay, now I know. Now I know you take things serious and clap for yourself.
You don't take things
clap for yourself.
Don't you take things serious?
You will go because you are the devil. You will go because you are the devil. You will go. This one way do not touch me. You will go because you are the devil.
Get long bro. Please and draw me go outside. Come on, you go to draw me outside. You will go. Go there. I'll stay in this house. Me and you in this house. I am not leaving this house for anybody. Anybody that say they want to stay with me inside this house, I'll give you both. Because first though, I'm calm. They say I'm too quiet. They're gonna ride me. Everybody thinks they feel right because I get small body. Abi? Because I have a small body, my voice is tiny. I don't used to talk every time I want to avoid issue. You see this my mouth, my power day. I will talk. Because that is what the mouth is meant for. God did not give a mouth to keep quiet. It is meant to talk.
So you learned all this thing from your mother?
Nah, God forbid. My mother cannot do this. Because my father did not treat her in a way that she would do all these things.
No, you're getting it wrong.
My father did not treat her like
this. Baby girl, you're getting it wrong.
Let me explain something
you're
to
getting
you.
it wrong.
See, let me tell you. A man that can cheat on his wife and still be scared of his wife is different from a man that will cheat on his wife and still bring that same person into his wife's house, into their matrimonial home.
Mother,
you want me to respect you. I did
no,
not.
You left.
You and your family threw me out of
this house.
You
left. You were misbehaving.
If possible, I'm going to record that video again.
You
and
left.
Post this for people
you were misbehaving.
To see.
Yes.
I did not
My
know.
uncle said you
your
should go. You were insulting my uncle.
Your uncle was seated here.
You were insulting my uncle.
You were
You were insulting my uncle. How can you be insulting my uncle in my presence?
Did you know auntie?
You are insulting my uncle in my presence.
If they want to talk, people go say he's the man of the house, he's the head. He has every right to talk to his in-laws. Not my own family.
Just see.
Not my own family.
The real decor I did is not up to how many months. Look at what you did.
Which decor?
Look at how you tore it.
This my clothes that I bought. Do you know how much I bought it?
You don't try.
Do you know how much I bought it? I never tried.
My voice saved them.
I never tried. If they bought you, you destroy any other of my property. Destroy one of my property again. Just one. Even if it's little on my sin, even this is also if you mistakenly share into two, you are in trouble. I will use it to destroy times 10 of what you have in this house. She want to frustrate me. Before you frustrate me, I will really want to frustrate you. As I tell you, say I can wear as I take small rich. Anybody will decide to frustrate. Before you frustrate me, I will frustrate you. Do you understand? If you don't want to ask this, me too, I'm ready to give you hot one. She be that one where she give you, where she carry the fling, you know if you do it. She got to talk, you go keep quiet. But when it comes to me, jaga bang, you can talk, you can rap, you start ranting, you calling me all sorts of names on social media. For what? You want people to see me as what? You don't paint me as bad wife finisher. You say I don't get respect. All my life now, me as I'm a destroyer. I don't like arranging anything. You see, as I've destroyed it, let her come and help you to arrange it again. Maybe she's the arranger. She's the one that know how to put the house in order. You people should come. Like every time, Mary. You people not let me have peace of mind. Now you are not crying, you are doing what? That peace, you will not sit for me. Until you decide to chase her out of this house, rent an apartment for her, then we will decide to have peace in this house. If not, you'll be getting it hot. There is no peace for the weekend. Anybody don't have frustrated, Makoko frustrated.
Since
Next time, if you see me, if I'm passing your front like this, you will turn back.
no problem.
Yes, no problem.
Since you're really taking this thing serious, I'm not sure say anything if you work with between two of us.
If you are not taking this, why would you take my clothes?
Madam, you don't have to wear that thing.
I don't have to wear one. Now you want
You're
to tell me
married
how
woman.
to dress? David, when you met me, what was I wearing?
You were obviously a stripper. Yeah.
I was obviously a stripper.
Yes.
If I call you name now, you say, oh, I'm taking the person, Abby.
Yes, you were obviously a stripper.
I'm a stripper.
And that's why you went outside, stripping for other people outside without my permission, and I was not there.
You don't tell me say na inside club they see me now. We are the roll for pole. You don't tell me say na inside club they see me.
What's the difference between you and a
You
stripper?
not tell me say na
What's the
inside club they
difference
see
between you and a
me.
stripper?
Go and check big
Go
and check big women online that go to the beach. They wear sexy clothes. They look cute. If they say my husband, she truly see me as his wife. Not mean that me and my husband will go. But my husband say, I be nobody. Say I get HIV. Say I get infection. Say I be bad person. So there is no way I can invite such a person. Why will I carry my enemy to where I'm going?
You know how to
It's not
frame
possible.
things.
Frame.
You know how to frame things.
Me and you will frame things.
You have insulted me a whole lot. You have insulted me a whole lot, but I've forgotten. You see how my mind is. You see how clean I am. You have insulted me a whole lot, but I don't see all these things. I don't see all these things. It's the insult I insulted you because I was angry. You're still putting it in your mind.
Because you were angry.
You're still putting it in your mind.
Oh, myself, I was
Kilo
angry.
day now. Kilo day.
Daddy, me too, I'm angry. That's why I'm saying all this thing.
That David is okay.
As you are saying everything.
No. See your sister. You tell me when I got married to her, I see how she's behaving.
Just leave her.
When I got married to her, I see how she's behaving. See your sister.
Just leave her.
Kilo day now. That's what she did there before.
It's okay.
Why is she breaking me every day?
Just let her go. It's okay. Just leave her alone.
Normally, I'm married.
Idiot. Shut
What
up.
did I do to you?
If you let me come down, I will slap you. I will slap
What
you.
did I do to you?
I will slap you.
Just leave
So
her
if you
alone.
better behave yourself, I will slap you. This is not normal Mario. This is not Mario. Eh.
Don't say anything again before she will hit you. Don't worry. Don't say anything.
Talk. The boy you wear. Talk. Rubbish. When they are frustrating me, they are doing everything. Did you not know? When you're not seeing it, now you're crying crocodile tears. Don't share bury. Just see. Even just one thing of my property. Let me see that is missing in this house. Rubbish. I mean, I want frustration. I will frustrate you before you frustrate me. I will show you what frustration really means. If I'm quiet, it doesn't mean you should ride me all the time. Every time I be insulting me, every time I be saying that sort of thing. Married now, people are saying I don't value myself.